Another day, another vlog na naman, no? Ng Urofino fam. So today, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, yung paano nila nililinis yung mga blocky-blocky ng ice, no? So, ito, show you around. Ito sila. Nililinis na yung mga blocky-blocky. Ganito. Yeah, they clean it like that. Yeah, our neighbor over there, clean it. Yeah, they do it like that. So they block all the street that no one can enter. Yeah, yeah. So there's no one can park. At the moment, it's so cold. So our neighbors over there. So ganyan guys. So, kinukuha nila lahat ng mga ice at I think they dump it somewhere. So, yeah, ganyan. That's how organized here in America, you know? Like, yeah. At, you know what, guys? May sweldo yung, guys, yung magbo-volunteer na maglinis ng, snow in different places. May, yun, may sweldo silang matatanggap. Like, may money silang matatanggap. So, I need to go inside because it's really so cold. And, yeah. So, kito. Yan, ganyan. Diba? Kasi kung hindi nila yan lilinisin, it bothers, it causes traffic, and then tsaka siya, ang tawag nun, delikado kasi slippery, and then yan. So yeah, that's it. So we're going now to the bus stop, but it's kind of like snowy,
Yeah, but guys,
yeah,
I don't know what the truck doing.
Yeah, it's something there, so we just have to go now. So see ya. When it's gonna snowing, we're gonna get an umbrella, okay? The umbrella. So we're gonna go now. Then it's okay, like that. So yeah.
Guys, what? Is it rain?
Yeah, it's gonna rain and snow.
But
Yeah.
I'm glad I got this.
Okay. Yeah. They tow the truck. I mean, they tow the car. So you have to be careful because yeah, they clean it here. All the streets are blacked. So yeah, they're cleaning all the blocks of snow. So we're gonna enter here. So,
We're not there.
no, we're gonna be careful. Okay, we just have to be careful. We have to walk. Because if we can walk, we can go down to the street. No. So yeah, that's it. So see you later. How it looks like, guys. Woo! It's kind of cold and freezing. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'll show you later. That is all the blocks here. Yeah. So yeah. See you later. Kids are playing there. They're flying snowball fight. See? This winter, I mean, this one's gonna last, I think, the whole week. yeah, it's gonna be last, you know, the whole week next week. And I don't know. And I don't know if Kian has a class. So we'll see now. Yeah. So it is like this. Winter Wonderland. In some state, the snow is also like tremendous, you know. So yeah, see the neighbor over there. He's cleaning his area. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you another snowstorm that we experienced, and it's much worse and much worse weather because look at that. It's so snowy and so icy, and it's so white, like milky white, and it's pretty cold, guys. It's pretty cold. Look at that. See now. See how thick it is. Yeah. It's so sad. Looks so sad and looks so quiet because it's so cold. People don't go out in the street. Yeah, it's so cold.
Oh, man.
Of course, the little one is making a mess.
Oh my god!
Oh, yay!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna go outside to have some... Oh, your glass is here with me. So we're gonna go outside, guys, you know, para makapag-play yung mga bata sa snow. So I'm gonna go with them. So see you around later, guys.
My day. I'll make the head.
Oh, that's the nose. That is the nose for the snowman. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Arencita. Okay.
I got
That's a small one.
Oh no! I will be.
Yeah, so get the one.
Come here.
Okay, give me that.
No! Come here.
No, give me that. Oh, okay. In a minute.
Let's fill the bucket. Let's fill the
Give
bucket.
me the bucket. Give me the bucket now.
Okay.
Okay, let's
It's
get.
kind of slippery.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We need more.
Yeah, we need more. Maghalo-halo na kami dito, guys.
Ano halo-halo?
Yeah, like ice cream.
Okay.
Where are we gonna put the
No,
snow?
no. Here.
Here?
Here.
Maybe somewhere here.
No. No. Yes!
Look at that.
Look at the ice. Look at the ice now. We make another one. It's so fun with the snow.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Making a snow castle.
Yeah.
I will do it this time.
Okay.
I will do it over there.
Yeah. Put here.
That's funny.
You look so funny. Aaron is having fun, and this is what the snowman. Oh, we should put carrots in this, and that's what I made. Aaron's still, having fun with his pterodon. Aaroncito, you like it?
I just run over there.
Okay, again.
Like me.
Having fun. Aaroncito, are you okay? Are you okay, Aaroncito? Yes. Yeah? Ooh. You get stuck. Wow, what's that? Oh, nice. That's pterodon. That's nice. Sila na yung mga batang naglalaro dito sa labas. Walang kabata-bata dito, guys. Walang mga kabata-bata dito na naglalaro. Sila lang dalawa, guys. See? Walang ibang tao or walang ibang bata na naglalaro. Sila lang. Parang ghost town dito, guys. Walang kabata-bata. Sila lang dalawa. Okay. In a minute. So, yan. Dito. Hindi ba nakakasad yung snow? Update pala dyan, guys. Sa room na yan. Dyan kami lilipat. And then, inano na nila. Nire-repair na nila. No, Kian. Yeah, lilipat na kami end of this month. Dyan. So, yun. I'm excited. Yes. Guys, that's all for now for this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe. And please do click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng aming mga uploads. And yeah, that's it. So, see you next time and be good, do good, and don't forget to wear your mask and keep healthy always. And don't forget to pray. And yeah, that's it. So make a love shout out to all my friends and especially to all my members and especially to all the 100cc content challenge group mates. Thank you and see you next time. Ciao.
Saturday.
holiday.